Hi, and welcome to a quick guide on how to use the SolVe Online product page. Before we navigate to the SolVe page, we need to ensure that you have an enterprise account. So open a browser and navigate to dell.com/support. Log in on the web page and check that your account icon is represented with a black circle. This represents that you're using a business account. If it's any other colour, check out the description of this video for a link on how to create a Dell Online Enterprise account. Assuming everything's set up correctly, navigate to solve.dell.com. The SolVe Online application is a huge database of system procedures, videos, customer replaceable unit instructions and Knowledgebase articles, as well as warnings for discovered issues from Dell Technical and Security Advisories. So check this page out and see if it can help you. And that's it. For more information on this topic, check out the links in the description below and check out our other videos for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.